Amazing Meerkat is a love story if I've ever heard one before. There once was a meerkat named Robert. Oh, so passionate.
I am so full of passion.
No. Robert wasn't full of passion. Robert was full of something else.
I am full, but
Robert was full of food.
that was
So
great
full
news.
of food because Robert was eating what meerkats eat the most. Bugs.
Beetles.
Oh yes, this is a love story about a man and how much he loves his food.
Yes.
Yes. Oh. The way Robert ate his beetles was a very sensual way. No, that's not it. The way Robert ate his beetles was a very clean and mannerly way. Yes, that'll do it. Robert had a best friend named Gregory. Gregory was an alligator.
Hey, Gregory.
How are you doing?
No. Alligators and meerkats hate each other. Gregory was not an alligator. Gregory was a gorilla.
How are you doing?
I'm good, Gregory. How are you?
You like those bugs? I'm gonna take one.
Gregory did not like the bugs. No, I take that back. Gregory did like the bugs.
You like the bugs?
I think I'm gonna have a few more.
No, he hated them.
They're all for you.
Okay, thanks, Gregory.
Gregory really liked them secretly.
You sure you won't try some more bugs?
I need to make sure I hate it. Yep, I definitely hate
Are you sure?
Gregory definitely hated them.
it. I definitely hate it. They're all for you.
Okay, thanks.
See any bananas?
Gregory loved bananas.
I need to find me some bananas.
Unfortunately, there were no bananas nearby.
Sorry, Gregory. There's no bananas.
No. That's too mean to Gregory. I can't have Robert have all the food and Gregory have no. There were some bananas nearby.
Just kidding. Look, bananas.
But the bananas were alive!
I said Gregory is alive.
I'm a banana.
And the bananas could say more than I'm a banana.
Named Felicia.
The
Say
bananas
what,
talked in
Gregory?
long monologues.
I am the greatest banana that has ever existed.
No. Take that back. The bananas just said banana.
Banana. Banana.
Gregory, stay away.
I don't like talking fruit.
Banana.
You should stay away.
No. The banana needs development. The banana wanted to speak more than just banana.
Banana.
Roberts understood this banana because he could bond over the bugs that silently screamed as he Roberts wanted to help this banana,
I want to help you.
but Gregory wanted to eat it.
I think we should eat it.
Gregory just wants help.
Boy, this is juicy. This is when Roberts gives a monologue on how he connects to the banana.
Gregory, you've always been the biggest in the jungle.
No. Gregory was not the biggest in the jungle.
Gregory, you've always been an average size.
I don't think Gregory was average size either.
Gregory, you've always been a mediocrely sized.
Yes, that'll do it. Mediocre.
Me, Robert, Meerkat, and Felicia the banana, we've always been kind of small, yellow, short.
The meerkat was not yellow.
We've been small, plainly colored.